I don't hate you. I can't hate you. It's not our way. Showing rahmah, mercy, that is our way. And you were a baby, and you are still a child. His death was already ordained. Maybe the purpose is to save your life, because you're not going to be killed by this society. My family would like very much to be a part of your seeing a better way of life, so that this does not repeat itself, because I will always be a part of your life. Any life that you take is not just one life, it is all that is connected to that life.
But what we want for them is not revenge. Revenge solves nothing. It will not bring back my son.
I want to take no sorry.